what is good? It's your boy back with another banger, man. If you're new to this channel, smash the subscribe button. I say it every time. If you back, you know for a fact that I appreciate you. Now, yo, we got a lot of new music. All right, I say that. We have A Boogie, Tory Lanez, Juice WRLD. My Nigerian fans were saying something just dropped. And I think there's maybe one other person or two other people that I want to check out. There's also a bunch of singles that dropped. So we got a lot to check out. I'm excited. We got some Tory, okay? I love Tory. I love what he's doing with these new songs, the 80s, 90s themes, whatever it is, 70s. But I love it, bro. I love it. So I'm hoping we get a couple more music videos and he kind of makes this a series or something because this shit is dope. So, yeah, I'm just excited to see how this goes. I think he has something good going on right now. It's kind of like The Weeknd. And The Weeknd was making, what The Weeknd makes, like, songs like this. So I definitely think he took some inspiration from that. Ashton Rain, that must be his name or his character. Tory Lanez, Enchanted Waterfalls. Let's go. And smash that subscribe button. Join the family. Whoa. Oh my God. Talk. One thing you should know is that I love you. That's my remix. Come on. Oh my God, bro. Oh my God, nah, son. This is holy hell. This is going right in the playlist. Guys, oh my God. This is like facts. Come on. That's a fact. I'm listening. Yo, oh my God, that's a fact, bro. Fun fact. I don't even know if I should say that. I'm not gonna say it. Come on, rewind it. This shit is beautiful, bro. This is a cool little old bowling alley. This song is insane, bro. Listen to the sound. It sounds like they're live instruments in the 70s, 80s, 90s. I don't know what year this is, but you know. Oh my. That's tough. Come on. Yo, it's beautiful, bro. It's literally beautiful, son. This is like, yo, that's what I was trying to say, bro. You have artists that kind of make the same type of songs. They make the same type of music. They don't really try to, change and go out of their element or anything like that. Then you got people like Tory that are, of course, like beyond talent. Like, this is talent, bro. To be able to do stuff like this, the versatility, like, yo, this is real talent, bro. And I think we all need to really appreciate it. Like, this isn't just a regular hip-hop album that he just dropped. Like, this is a completely different, all themed out, totally different sounding project thing that he made, bro. Like, that shit goes underappreciated. He could have made something regular, bro. This is not regular. Like, this is next level skill, bro, and just creativity and all of the above, bro. He took this idea and ran with it. Then you get a project like this, bro. This shit is fire. Yo, that shit sounds great, bro. It's so much noise in here. so much going on, bro. I'm listening, bro. Oh my god. Talking. Listen to how he's just doing this on it, like just floating, bro. In and out, just I'm here, I'm not, I'm here, and it's just like this shit puts you in a trance, dog. Like I feel like I'm in an arcade right now. I should be in an arcade in the 70s or whatever it is, playing the pinball machine. Like I feel like I should be there, bro. This music, if this was playing back then, it would be like like a real life movie. Real life. They were living like this back then, bro. This kind of sound is like it makes you feel that in the new school. And it's the new school twist on it that gives you this feel that makes you feel like, what this time would kind of feel like almost, but it's modern enough for you to mess with it and relate to it now. Shit's crazy, bro. This is serious, bro. This is way, there's way more to this than just the music. I hear it. Listen, bro. It's just easy for him. Easy for him. Oh my god, bro! Come on. Yo, that's Max, bro. That hook is crazy, son. Let me know. I'm already here. Let me know. Come on. Why don't you let me know? That song was crazy, bro. Oh, okay, 1980s. Now I know. That song was crazy, bro. Like, bro, what? Wait, yo, do y'all listen? Are y'all listening? Like, every single sound, every beat, the pianos, the trumpets, his voice, bro. Like, yo, bro, what? What? What, bro? Listen, it's just holy shit, bro. Yo, that's crazy. Oh my god. Yo, that's crazy. That's crazy, bro. Tory is talented. Like, yo, I don't think you guys understand how, like, this, I'm telling y'all, bro, this project is going to be so slept on and so underappreciated and so over everybody's heads. Like, this shit is not gonna get the recognition it deserves, bro. I promise you it's not. I hope every single one of you that watches this video go download this album, bro. Like, this, you cannot tell me that wasn't a vibe that you've ever heard, bro. You've never heard nothing like that in the past 10 years, bro. Nothing. That was a modern 1980s track. Do you even get that? You know what I'm saying? Like that's nah, bro. Tory, bro, you got it, bro. Like that shit. Nah, bro. You're up there. You're competing with the top artists, the top talent, bro. 100%. Making stuff like this, I'm putting this up against anybody, bro. This is next level thinking, bro. This is out of the box thinking. That's what you call real creativity, bro. Not doing what everybody else does. Trend setting, being your own person. That's what that is, bro. Shout out to Tory for that, bro. We're going through this entire album, bro. We're going through this entire album. So just comment down below what song you want to hear next. We will get into it. Everybody, if you watched this video and you made it this far, it's only you might as well smash that subscribe button. You got to be part of the family now. You watched the vid. Smash that sub button. Welcome to the fam. We drop 3 videos a day, every single day. Comment down below anything you want to hear because we're getting to all of it. I appreciate every single one of y'all. And I'm going to catch y'all in the next video, all right?